as you can see, I have some smoke coming out when I start the engine. It started maybe last year, but I just thought it was because of cold weather and condensation. But it's coming out blue and just is getting a little bit smokier and smokier every time. So we're gonna try this stuff. I don't know how people say that, but I call it Rizzle 1. High mileage formula, ring seal, smoke repair, stops blue exhaust smoke. That's what I got. Seals worn pistons and rings, reduces oil burning. Not sure if I have oil burning because I can't pull the dipstick because it's broken, so I can't tell if we're low or what, if it's burning. You can add it any time, so I'm going to add it this morning. And there's more stuff here. Works on 8-cylinder, gas or diesel. Works with high mileage and synthetic engine oil. So we can add 1 bottle to the engine. Let me see how this stuff works. Alright, let's give it a start. So I'll let this run for 15-20 minutes. It says to run it for 5, but I wanted to really get through there and see what happens. But the real test will be tomorrow morning when I start it, after this is all circulated through. Well, it's been about 5 minutes and it already looks better. There's nothing coming out. Yesterday I started the engine and I let it idle maybe 15-20 minutes and it was just smoke coming out. And right now I let the Rizzle 1 go through the system and there's no smoke. So hopefully that fixed any kind of ring seal leak. But the real test will be tomorrow morning after I let this sit overnight and start her up to see if that big blue plume of smoke comes back out. But so far so good. So there's still a slight smoke coming out. Maybe it's just condensation. It did puff when I started the engine. So you let me know what you think. So we've been running this for another 15 minutes so far, and I just did a couple of revs and you saw the smoke come out. So this Rizzle 1 does not work, not for me at least.